This is Sandra of Nomad Stitches, and I am here to talk about something that I am super passionate about, which is creating garments that fit well. I feel like sometimes crochet garments are kind of left in the background as being cutesy, but we forget that we can actually create clothes that fit us properly. And it's something that knitters and sewers have figured out a long time ago. So why not use those techniques and create garments that really fit as well? So in this series of videos, I'm going to talk about solutions to very common problems that come from a lack of shaping. We are very used to creating just a square, making a hole for the neck and wearing that. And yes, that works. And that is a great start for your garments. However, there are many techniques that can help you wear clothes that are much more comfortable, that won't be falling off your neck, and that won't have excess fabric in random places. Okay, before we continue, I just want to clarify. I am not saying that a crochet project of a certain kind is superior to another. No. If you are happy with what you're making, I'm happy. If you don't want to dive into creating garments, that's great. And if you're happy with the kind of garments that you are making, awesome. Continue doing that. I am happy for you. But if you're spending money on yarn and hours making a garment and you are not happy with the way it fits, then let me help you. This series of videos is going to help you create garments that fit better for your body. So I am not judging you. I am not bringing any negativity in the crafting community. I just want to help you. So let's keep going. Now, you might be wondering, who is this person to talk about well-fitted garments? Now, you're right. I don't actually have a degree in fashion or garment making, but what I do have is a lot of experience, and I've done also a lot of research. I've been crocheting and knitting for over 20 years, and I've been designing garments for over 10 years. And also, there's a lot of information out there. It's usually geared towards knitters and sewers when it comes to shaping for a body. However, crochet is not that much different. So I've learned to adapt a lot of those techniques into crochet garments to create garments that actually fit you well. And this is something that I want you to know, not so that you can only buy my patterns, which you should do, but so that you can know which patterns to buy or how to adapt those patterns that you already have, that you are working on, so that they fit you even better. And if you're a designer, how to make your garments better, how to make them fit better, how to fit all different sizes, not just a certain group of people. So I really hope that this series of videos helps you create much better garments and garments that you actually want to wear all the time. So here's a list of the things that I will be talking about in this series of videos. First, I will talk about shoulder shaping. I will also talk about how to elongate the back to not have a naked back or a neck that chokes you, especially when you're working on a round yoke. How to do waist, hip shaping, and even we're going to talk about bust darts. We're going to talk also about drop shoulders, which I absolutely love, but we want to make sure that they drop around the same place for every size and not right down to the elbow if you're a larger size, or up to the shoulder if you are a smaller size. We're also going to talk about different raglan shapings and how to make them fit better. And we are also going to talk about how to find the right yarn and hook combination to create drapier fabrics that will flatter a body much more. All right, so I hope you're really excited about this series on garment shaping. Please feel free to comment and ask questions so that I can answer them over the next few videos. And I hope you learn a lot with me. See you next time.